Okay, just got this in the mail today. I believe it's the new steam heater cars from Rapido. So just a quick unboxing here. Hopefully they got everything right in the order. Okay. Usual amount of packaging here. Oh boy. Get that out of the way. Alright, let's have a look to see what we have here. Okay, first one, we got the Via Rail unit. Uh-oh, they've made a mistake. We're going to have to get a hold of them. I didn't order that paint scheme. Uh-oh. This is typical for Otter Valley, though. They make mistakes. You get a good price, but they do make mistakes. Ontario Northland. This is why I don't do too much more business with Otter Valley. They've screwed up a few times for several of my orders. And we got the Chevron Ontario Northland. That should have been a wet noodle, black and white. Wonderful. So now I'm going to have to get a hold of Otter Valley and go through the whole returns process. And I can't believe it. Anyways, word to the wise here. Word to you guys, like, Otter Valley, yeah, they got great prices, but they screw up orders. And unless you're on top of them, they will screw up many orders. Really disappointing. Really disappointing. I'm sure they're great steam heaters, but the one there is not what I ordered. Okay, we'll see. We'll get them on the layout and get them running. All right, talk to you later.